Social emotional management approach towards classroom management has a lot to do with teachers' action in the classroom. आइए देखते हैं what are the requirements as far as the teachers are concerned to bring in social emotional management in the classroom. बहुत जरूरी है that teachers conduct the classroom with a smiling face. So please smile in the classroom. It makes a huge difference and students they get automatically connected with teaching. इसके अलावा ये बहुत जरूरी है कि जब आप कोई लेसन बनाएं तो हैव अ कॉग्निटिव इफेक्टिव अप्रोच इन द लेसन. आप अपने लेसन में भी सोशल इमोशनल नॉलेज को अपने लेसन का हिस्सा बनाएं. ये बहुत जरूरी है. इससे अंडरहैंडेडली जो बच्चे हैं वो दे लर्न बेटर बिहेवियर्स. दे लर्न द बिहेवियर्स ऑफ सोशल इमोशनल लर्निंग. सो प्लीज मेक इट पार्ट ऑफ योर लेसन. कभी ये ना कहें इट इज नॉट माय प्रॉब्लम. When you are in the classroom, you are responsible for your students. So everything that they say, every issue that crops up is your problem. तो बच्चों को ये कभी एहसास ना दिलाएं, स्टूडेंट्स को ये कभी एहसास ना दिलाएं कि उनको अपने मसले के हल के लिए कहीं और जाना है. When you are in the classroom, you are in charge as a teacher. So every problem should be your problem. So please never say it is not my problem. इसके अलावा try to be authoritative and not authoritarian. हमने जो है authoritative और authoritarian के दरमियान जो है वो फर्क को पहले बताया है और ये बताया है that authoritative is a person who exercises power yet he is a much loved figure in the classroom. So you are an authority but at the same time you have an excellent relationship with your students. But if you are an authoritarian teacher then you have a dictatorial presence in the classroom. बच्चे आपसे डरते हैं और उसकी वजह से वो अपने प्रॉब्लम्स का इजहार नहीं कर सकते. So try to be authoritative and not authoritarian. Be sensitive to students' needs. आपको ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि बच्चों की स्टूडेंट्स की नीड्स क्या हैं, उनको क्या चाहिए. What is appropriate at this particular age level. आप जिस मर्जी एज लेवल के ऊपर पढ़ा रहे हो, it is very important to determine the needs of the students and be sensitive towards those needs. So that is very important and goes a long way towards establishing socially, emotionally active classrooms. उसके अलावा try to build on students' interest. When you make lesson plans, when you talk in the classroom, when you talk about issues, try to capitalize on their interests. That what are the interest levels of these students? उन्हें क्या अच्छा लगता है, वो किस चीज को शौक से सुनते हैं, क्या चीज शौक से पढ़ते हैं. Try to build on that. Try to build your lesson plans on that or try to integrate these interest levels in your lesson plan जिसके जरिए the classroom atmosphere can become extremely conducive to learning. इसके अलावा ensure that all students participate in the classroom. Sometimes teachers they have their favorite students who always participate and there are others who get neglected. Because remember, some students are shy, they lack confidence, so they do not participate. So encourage all students. That is, a big step towards developing socially, emotionally rich classrooms. Because it shows that you care for all and not for just a selected few. इसके अलावा, encourage team building. We should never encourage cutthroat competition in the classroom. Encourage cooperation, encourage collaboration. Students should be helping each other out. That is very, very important. So with team building, naturally the classroom atmosphere will be very friendly and it will be a very caring classroom. इसके अलावा, try to take interest in the lives of the students. Because sometimes the students, they bring their problems from homes. So it is okay to discuss their problems and to try to resolve those problems. Try to be a friendly figure with whom students can, discuss their problems. उसमें ये होता है कि students they feel lighter when they discuss their problems. And sometimes, you may be the best person to resolve issues. So please take interest in their lives. Be emotionally supportive. आप उनको fully support करें. Because there are some problems that may have the base at home. So please be emotionally supportive to them. Encourage them. try that they participate to the maximum in the classroom by giving them the required emotional support. ये बहुत जरूरी है. इसके अलावा आपके लिए ये बहुत जरूरी है that you encourage healthy peer relationships. आमतौर पर हमारे यहाँ जो तालिब इल्म है वो कंपटीशन में बहुत बिलीव करते हैं. उनका यह ख्याल होता है कि हमने अपने पीयर्स को, अपने साथियों को ये बात उनसे छुपानी है, ये बात उनको नहीं बतानी है, अगर हमारे पास कोई नॉलेज है तो हमने नहीं देनी है. तो जब आप encourage करेंगे healthy peer relationships तो naturally students will share their knowledge with each other. और उससे it's a very healthy classroom community that builds up. So all these strategies, all these techniques are extremely important to build a healthy, socially and emotionally active climate in the classroom.